Right, these are MT-03s, belongs to one of our mechanics. He's sort of using it as his day-to-day bike, but decided he wants to sell it. It is a Cat N. It was stolen and recovered, but the insurance company had paid out, so they put it on the register. Wasn't really any damage on it other than lock set, which has been replaced. So now the bike is in good nick. Little bit of paint peeling off the engine there. Easily done if you wanted to do it with engine paint. Radiator looks good. Front wheels all nice and clean and tidy. It's got ABS on it. Front tyres really good. Looks quite new. Forks are good. Tiny little mark on the end of the bar in there. It's just where it's rubbed a bit, and on the end of the mirror, but very minor. It's a bit grubby because he's been using it this week. So it'll clean up nicely. Back tyre's virtually new. So the only damage you can see on it is on this back panel. So there's a bit of paint missing there. Little scrape along there, little bits of paint missing there, same there. So this whole back panel, bits of paint off it there. Could do with respraying, but really, I mean, it's not broken, cracked or anything, it's just some reason it's got those bits of paint missing. Tiny little mark on the exhaust there. Seems to have heated grips, they turn on. 4,888 miles, so it's very cheap for one of these. Starts on the button. They seem to turn on, see that they get hot. Everything works nicely, engine sounds perfect. Like I say, it's been used pretty much daily, but not on wet days. Rides really well. Revs freely. So I could easily sit on the motorway on these at 70 miles an hour. Fantastic around town because they're so small and light. Easy to manoeuvre, wheel around. Look out of place just to take that back panel off and paint that all matte black. I've seen there's plenty of matte black panels on the bike. Yeah, you can feel the heated grips getting warm. They're also attached to a switch live, which is handy, can't leave them on. So there you go.